So right now we have deployed these machines. We launched them just about a month back. So we have deployed these machines about 5 customers. We have about close to about 40 odd machines which are live, and they're spread over 2 or 3 cities. We're present in 6 cities, and our goal is to beat our current install base of semi-automatic dispensers, which is close to about 1,000 plus within the next year. So we are hugely bullish that we can ramp up and scale this business in a very aggressive fashion. And we are hugely excited about the data that is coming out. Frankly, we see more and more of ourselves as a tech company, right? And I'm not just saying this to be fashionable or trying to impress the audience who's listening to this. This is the nature of the beast, right? I mean, if we as a beverage company have to serve our beverages to as many people as possible in a consistent fashion, if we don't invest in technology, we just can't scale. Gone is the sort of time of old when you said that if you want to be like Starbucks, you have to open tens and 20,000s of stores across the country. I mean, that's an approach which is still very relevant, but possibly not in those kind of numbers. You have to invest in delivery, and if the moment you start talking about delivery, technology comes into play, how people discover you on your mobile, how you are delivering to them in that exact time frame, which is a big challenge, and frankly, we have a lot of work to do in order to live up to it. And similarly, again, with intelligent dispensers, right? I mean, if I have to go from our warehouse in Hosur to Whitefield, it will take me 3.5 hours. So if I first get the call that, oh, the machine is down, and then my person is somewhere else, and he gets to the call, and then he makes one trip, 3.5 hours one way, 3.5 hours back, 7, and figures out, okay, X part is actually missing. Then he waits for, the part to arrive, and then goes back. You've lost 2-3 days. And that way you're just not giving them uptime. Right? So it's all so logical, and it's so relevant, and this has stuck us, quite a while ago. I mean, it took us some time to build this machine, and we also very firmly believe we live in a partnership-centric world. We see ourselves as a beverages company, but we have invested deeply into technology. We continue to be hugely passionate about technology, but we don't do everything ourselves. We own the software, but we have great hardware partners to build us the hardware as per our design and specifications. So this is the real world now. I mean, this is what the future is going to be. Any consumer company, unless and until it's highly, highly tech-centric, will not be able to establish a direct one-to-one relationship with a consumer. The world has shifted from B2C, B2B to D2C, if I may, direct to consumer. If you don't have that relationship, you're dead.